Hi students, it's so nice to see you all again. Today we are going to talk about the days of the week. We have included the days of the week in the past, but we haven't learned them in their order as we go through the days of the week. I want you to think of what day is your favorite. Days of the week. Sunday. This word is Sunday. This is the first day of the week. This is the first day of the week. If I were to use this word in a sentence, I could say, on Sunday, I like to go to church. This is the word Monday. This is the second day of the week. This is the second day of the week. If I were to use this in a sentence, I could say, Monday is my first day of work for the week. This is the word Tuesday. This is the third day of the week. Third day of the week. If I were to use this in a sentence, I could say, on Tuesday, I like to eat tacos. This is the word Wednesday. It is the fourth day of the week. Wednesday. If I were to use this in a sentence, I could say, Wednesday is a reminder that the week is almost over, as Wednesday is right in the middle of the 7 days of the week. Thursday. This is the word Thursday. It is the fifth day of the week. I could use this in a sentence. Thursday is the day before Friday. Friday. This is the word Friday. This is the sixth day of the week. The sixth day of the week. If I were to use this in a sentence, I could say Friday is my favorite day of the week because it is the weekend. Saturday. This is the word Saturday. This is the seventh day of the week. If I were to use this in an example sentence, on Saturday, I like to spend time with my family. Saturday, I like to spend time with my family. And so, as we go throughout these days of the weeks, did any of you have a favorite? That's great. I have a favorite too. My favorite day is Friday. I get off work and then I have Saturday and Sunday to do what I would like to do. There are 7 days of the week, which are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And all of the days of the week, no matter where they are in a sentence, should be capitalized. So the first letter should always be capitalized, like here, the S is capitalized, the M is capitalized. And it doesn't matter where it's at in the sentence, it should always be capitalized.